Remember, pull your pin. First.
Yep, before.
Yep. Second. So yeah. Now pull your trigger. Yeah. You just sweep back and forth. Just like that.
Yeah.
Pin back in and
Yep. And then sweep back and forth on the fire. Just like that. Okay. That's it. Yep. And then squeeze. There you go.
sweep it, left or
Back and
right.
forth. Yeah.
Because
like
I'm being
that.
short.
It gets caught.
Really get roasted.
Now, so you get to a certain temperature in there, and once it gets to that certain temperature, fuel length triggers, and the sprinkler system gets triggered. Now, the sprinkler system's not going to put out the fire completely. It's only going to contain the fire until the fire department gets there and put it out. So you can see that, you know, it's not putting it out. Eventually it will. It's a small fire. With the larger fire, we're going to have to go in there with a fire hose and put the rest of it out.
How long does a sprinkler run?